Hi everyone, how are you? My name is Adaku and I'm the owner of a company called Dovetailed. Dovetailed is an African wax print fabric shop. We sell both online and we also have a studio here in East London, which is where I am today. I'm on a mission to get more people wearing more colour and having more colour in their homes by using these beautiful African wax print fabrics to make projects and garments. The studio this afternoon fulfilling orders, and I thought it might be fun to show you behind the scenes how we fulfill our orders, what some of our processes are, and I hope you enjoy. So, cue music. Hi again. So one of the things that I will do as soon as I come in or shortly after coming in is to have a look at the outstanding orders and to print packing slips for them, just so I can keep an eye on what's going on. Some of the orders are to be delivered, shipped out. Others are click and collect. So I'll contact all of those who chose to come and collect it because they're local and see when they want to come and get it. Sometimes people will place an order but then they won't want it delivered until there's an order I'm looking at now just on the wall. They've said don't deliver until the 10th. So it's just, I printed it out the last time I was here, put it on the wall so I can remember not to send it before the person is back. Have another order that the person has said don't send until the 17th. So there's always a few things to bear in mind with orders. Okay. Once I have downloaded them, I'll print them out. So the first order that I'm going to be doing today is an order for 4 fat quarter bundles. So the customer has ordered a black and white bundle, a blue bundle, a red bundle and a purple bundle. In each bundle she will receive 6 similar coloured fat quarters. What is a fat quarter? Fat quarter is 1/4 of a yard and looks something like this, and is suitable for smaller projects such as bags, cushions, etc. There's quite a few to cut. I'll make a start. Okay, so I have finished cutting those 4 bundles. We have the purple bundle, the blue bundle, the red bundle and the black and white bundle. With the black and white bundle, you've essentially got a mixture of fabrics that are either mainly white or mainly black or kind of cream, but those are sort of the colours that you will get in the white bundle. And then I tie all of them with this twine and they are ready to go out. Or 2 charm packs. So in each charm pack you get 42 squares. So I've already got lots cut actually. So I've got at least one charm pack ready to go, but I will need to cut more, or should I say I will need to cut a fair amount of the second pack of charm squares. So yes, let me go and have a break, have a cup of tea, and then I'll come back and I will do some more cutting. So I've had my cup of tea and so I'm feeling refreshed, and I have cut all of the 5-inch squares for the charm packs. So I'll tie them together using the twine. Once that's done, I'll then move on to the remaining orders, which shouldn't take very long at all. And then I'll come back on again just to show you kind of how I put them all together, how I print the labels for the orders. And I'm pretty sure that will be that for today. I'm just about to start packing all the orders. Some of these orders are click and collect, so I will not be putting them in an envelope, but they have been cut, ready for collection. I use masking tape to attach the correct shipping order. So I'll just finish packing these, weigh them and print out the address labels ready for shipping. Labels, and then I will send them out tomorrow morning. But I hope you enjoyed that little whistle-stop tour of the behind the scenes of my business, and I'll see you all again soon. Take care, bye.